Hey guys, welcome back to Champlin Garage. I'm bringing you another C20 video, and in this video we're going to be taking the truck out, and this truck came with factory original trim, and because it was the two-tone, and I'm not going to go back with the two-tone when I paint it, so we need to fill in all of those trim holes. Once we get those welded in, I picked up some window tint on Amazon. I'm going to try my hand at installing tint, so that might not be perfect, but we're gonna see. Before we get to the video, if everyone watching could do me a huge favor and subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, then leave a like and let me know what you guys think. All right, let's get into the video. So we got all those holes welded up last night. We didn't do any body work to it yet, just because the entire truck is gonna need sanded down, especially, you know, all the rust areas, and there's a lot of dents and dings everywhere that I'm gonna have to fill in. So I'd rather do all that at some point, and I don't know yet when I'm gonna be able to get it in to paint it. As you can see where all the holes were, it's not too bad. I could have done a little bit better job on that shaved filler neck, but once you get some body filler in there, it should smooth out and be able to make it look like it was never there. All right guys, so some of the snow that we got has finally melted off, so I'm back in the C20 again, and as you can see, this whole truck is kind of a fishbowl. No tint, it's real hot. So I picked up a roll of 20% window tint on Amazon, and we're going to try putting it on today. It was only $20, so if it doesn't work out, it's not that much lost, and for the time being, it'll make you a little bit more comfortable in here. So we are gonna get started on that. All right guys, so I just got the first window done, and as you can see, no tint and 20%. The big window didn't go too bad. The wing window, I creased once, if you can see that, but I didn't want to have to redo it. And some of my lines aren't perfect here. I'll show you from the inside. As you can see, I didn't get that one completely straight and then tore it up in the corner, but this window went pretty well. It's a lot easier with the big flat, you know, nothing in it window. This was kind of a pain to work around, and as you can see, I did a terrible job cutting around the lock, but like I said, this is just temporary and kind of a learning experience for me, and it'll definitely work for now. So I'll set you up and let you watch me do the passenger side, and then we'll try and get this back window knocked out. Here it is the next day, guys. Got 20% all the way around. Got a brow on, windows, wings, and the back window. And it makes a world of a difference in here. It's gonna keep it a lot more comfortable and everything. As you can see around some of the edges, I had a hard time cutting the tint and making it perfect, but I'd say for my first time doing it, and it being $20 Amazon tint, it's not too bad of a job. When I do get this thing painted, I'm gonna get all new glass and have a company do it. That way it's just perfect and everything. So now we got the tint all the way around. We got all the trim holes filled up. I just welded up the holes, sanded it down, and painted it for now because I plan on doing all the body work at one time. And as you can see, I still got to do rockers and cab corners. So that is going to be in the next video. Don't miss it. And if you could, it would help me out a lot if you would like the video and subscribe to the channel.